Brandon, don't
we
stop.
don't even need
You're
to work.
a community college junkie. You've been in school for a long time.
I just go there for the internet. I enroll in classes. And I get the internet, and I drop the classes.
There was somebody he's so pretty.
Man,
He has 6 years old.
Like this, and they're 2 big ass bodyguards that they were to drag off. They would have to do like this way. It was huge. 4 of them simultaneously.
No,
Are you doing Prince jokes right now?
No, I'm serious though. Like honestly.
No, it starts with a C. Not like Santa Claus. So Santa Claus without the R in North.
Hit the button again.
Should I drop this?
Yes.
Oh, this is easy. When you go to a shop and you want to get free computer use, it's called
Internet.
Oh, okay.
By
It's a place you don't want to go. It's like
Hell.
climbing a
mountain.
Court.
But you gotta
Court.
have if you're a little and you, it's a movie
Bathhouse.
a movie about you said mountain.
Oh.
Brokeback Mountain. 2 on food. With all of it.
I got this part.
Like this.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
Oh, man. Yeah. Hip hop. Do the verse. Take a verse, man.
What?
Hallelujah. You said do the verse.
The verse, boy.
Oh, the verse. Oh, I thought you said do the verse.
What?
I was like, Lord.
I think we're supposed to be in the back, actually. Oh, no.
Wait.
It's like, where's this going?
This is how you decorate the tree after a couple glasses of wine.
You have no.
Derek, remember the Star made when we were kids? We had popsicles and laughed about old times. This was the Star of Soccer.
Well, did you make that? Somebody made that a year back or something.
I think it was Boomix.
What the hell is booming?
Boom! She looks great, Derek.
You looking silly.
Let me finish this beer first.
That's me.
Right here.
That's why I do what I do, brother.
Oh, because the colors actually fit.
Alcoholic Christmas. Very nice.
Drink it so you can taste the tree.
Yo, Feliz Navidad. Goddammit.
Hey, booming.
Here we go, right here. Santa.
Nate Dogg is alive.
Santa to the ghetto.
Actually, I do have that song. I have that. You want to hear it?
That's a
You want to hear it?